So now we are going to see curves. That means what is curves? Any drawing straight or non-straight drawn without lifting the pencil from the paper and without the use of ruler is called a curve. Okay, first we must know what is curve. That means any drawing, you can draw any object, for example circle, or that means half circle, a semicircle, otherwise we can call it as any kind of a curve. That means curve means for example a crescent moon or whatever there may be. So that in that particular point we should not use straight line. In maths we can call it as straight line means generally we have a ruler and we have to use a ruler, and with the help of the pencil we draw the straight line and everything. So that is called as, generally we think it is a straight line, but in maths straight line, otherwise we can call it as curve only, they mention it. Okay, any drawing a straight or non-straight, because straight or non-straight drawn without lifting the pencil, we should not take out the pencil from the paper and without the use of ruler and without the help of ruler means scale, is called a curve. Generally curve means not straight. Generally you know that curve means not straight. Okay, curve means not straight, but in maths curve can be a straight line. Okay, but maths what you can say straight line is also a curve. That is what I mentioned it. That is what I told you before. I think so you understand. Maybe curve is here, mention it. Any drawing a straight or non-straight. Drawing means straight or non-straight, whatever may be. Generally what is a curve means not straight, we can call it as curve, but in maths straight line is also a curve. That is what they mention it. And a curve is called a simple curve. A curve is called a simple curve. If it does not cross itself, a curve is said to be a closed curve. If its ends are joined, otherwise it is said to be an open curve. A curve is called a simple curve. A curve is called a, otherwise we can call it a simple curve. If it does not cross itself, a curve is said to be a closed curve. Okay, if does not cross itself, a curve is said to be a closed curve. Okay, if does not cross itself, a curve is called a simple curve. A curve is called a simple curve if does not cross itself. A curve means it is a, otherwise we can call it as curve. One more name is simple curve, is called a simple curve if does not cross itself. A curve is said to be a closed curve if its ends are joined. So this is the curve, okay, but it's joined together. So this start with this point and its end this here, okay, and wherever it starts, it's come and join the same thing. Okay, so start with here means it start with here, then okay, but it's I'm starting here without the help of ruler, and I'm not lifting my hand. Okay, that is what it's joined also. It is joined. That is what, if ends are joined. Okay, a curve is said to be a closed curve means whether it is a closed curve. There are two types of curve. One is a closed curve. Other one is a open curve. One is a closed curve. Other one is a open curve. If its ends are joined, if its ends are joined, that means this is the end. Okay, this joined means the end. If the ends are joined means closed curve. The ends are not joined means open curve. Okay, I'll repeat once again. A curve is called a simple curve. A curve is called a simple curve if does not cross itself. If does not cross itself, so a curve is said to be, one is a closed curve, other one is a open curve. The ends are joined mean it is a closed curve. The ends are not joined, it is a open curve. This is the open curve because actually it is joined. Okay, if it is joined means it is a closed curve, but the ends are not joined, so it is an open curve. The ends are joined, so it is a closed curve.